Hey everyone, a quick shout out to Cody Rogers who tagged me over on a LinkedIn post regarding the crazy announcements this week on the GPT App Store. So, quick post on the discussion. This GPT App Store announced by OpenAI on Monday this week. It's a crazy development in the AI space. It was a long time coming. Really excited that it's here. But the big question on his post here is what's the impact for Salesforce professionals? And so I'd love to talk a little bit about that. There are a couple questions throughout the post. First one, do we think Salesforce will have an equivalency to the GPTs? No, we are not headed that direction. It does not appear that Salesforce is going down the path right now that inside Salesforce we're going to have this sort of GPT app store, although I'm sure because we have the app store already, Salesforce is really thinking through how that looks on the Salesforce side and Salesforce ecosystem and what to do with that. ISVs are on the app store are already incorporating GPT into their apps. So if you go out and start looking for those, you'll find them. So that's one way that we kind of already have a little bit of this, but from a user perspective, like as a Salesforce professional right now, you can go to OpenAI and start building your own sort of GPT model or process app. You can do that there, but you can't do that inside Salesforce. I don't think Salesforce is headed that direction right now. We'll see how it all plays out as this unfolds. But next question on here, will there be a new cert on the horizon? Yes, of course, there are AI certs on the horizon. We already have the AI associate cert that's available that you can go and take and conquer that associate cert right now. The next thing, I think there's probably going to be some sort of maybe Einstein platform consultant type of cert, where chances are as Salesforce releases some of these more Einstein platform products, at some point they'll create a cert where you're the person that goes in and you know about all the products, you know how to deploy them. And so the trails will teach you how to do that. And I think they'll roll out some sort of platform consultant certification at some point for that. Who knows, right? It could be anything, but I think that's the direction they'll probably head next for the certification. But AI associate, maybe some sort of AI platform consultant coming up. GPT's developer was a suggestion for one. Probably not. I think Salesforce is leaning away from that terminology GPT. OpenAI is leaning into it and promoting the GPT term. Salesforce is going the Einstein direction. So the other option there is maybe Einstein Maker. I don't know. Probably not Einstein Maker, but something similar, I'm sure. So with all this emerging and evolving AI development and many more to come, how much will this change for Salesforce professionals? Well, I'll tell you, Salesforce has already told us. For Salesforce professionals, the big focus right now is going to be the rollout of the Einstein 1 platform. And in there is Copilot, and inside Copilot is the Prompt Studio. And right beside the Prompt Studio is Skill Builder. So Copilot, that's the chatbot inside Salesforce that's coming. Prompt Studio, that's the skill set where you need to go in and construct prompts using org data and try to get the best results that you're looking for your business process. And then the skills for Copilot are these extra features that you can sort of make the chatbot do behind the scenes based on your business use case. And so I think the skills that are going to be included in the Copilot product are going to be the closest thing that Salesforce has right now to this sort of GPT app store from OpenAI. And I think from a Salesforce professional perspective, what you're going to want to do right now is build the skill sets that you need in order to go into prompt engineering, into Prompt Studio, and build out the right prompts for Copilot to use, for your users to use, for your org, and then also learn the skills to deploy skills inside of Copilot and take advantage of that second half of the deliverable that Copilot is going to be utilizing these skill sets. So the skills you need are the foundations for these two products. The way you do that is you tool up with AIForceTraining and you learn prompt engineering. You learn how to use ChatGPT for Salesforce solutions. And as you do that, what's happening is you're also building the skill set that you need for Copilot, for Prompt Studio inside of Copilot. And then we also teach Flow GPT, which is customized solutions with AI infused inside the flow. And as you learn those skills, what you're learning is skills that are going to be built up and used inside of Copilot skills inside the platform. So that's our main goal right now, is to build up these skill sets so that you can be prepared when Salesforce launches these new AI features. One of the questions here, who's to benefit? We all benefit. The organizations using Salesforce benefit. The customers who those organizations engage with benefit, but with better customer experiences. Us as Salesforce professionals benefit, the Salesforce consultancies benefit. There's a benefit across the board for not only the GPT App Store from OpenAI, but all of the AI that's coming and being infused inside the org as we go. Not to mention the productivity improvements that we all get from utilizing tools like ChatGPT or our own AI Force GPT for Salesforce solutions. So benefit across the board. Okay, so yep, I think that covers it. Just a few final thoughts here. So first of all, get over to AIForceTraining.com. That's AIForceTraining.com. And you're going to want to start with the free resources that we have there. Dig in, have some fun, and then sign up for the GPT Specialist Training Waitlist. Start allocating some of your time to upskilling and invest in areas where AI interests you. So if you heard something today or you hear something in the future that really interests you in the AI space for Salesforce, lean into that, start learning, start investing your time and your resources into learning in the AI space. And that is it for today. Thanks again to Cody Rogers for tagging me. Quick shout out. And super appreciate all the comments. Everyone's commenting on the post as well. So make sure to read theirs as well. And hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later.